Okay, the moment we are long waiting for. Look at it. I think it's done. Ooh, yeah. Look. Okay, finish. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rinty's Plate. Okay, today with me, I'm gonna cook some Jamaican stew peas, and I'm gonna add chicken foot and salt beef. Here I have it over here, and all these is my ingredients. I have in this container over there some onion, scallion, pepper, hot pepper, and over this side I have thyme, I have garlic, I have a pimento seed, and black pepper and salt in that container. And over in the other container I have 1 teaspoon of dash, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, and another teaspoon of some Jamaican seasoning. Okay, and here I have my flour. I'm going to make some dumpling. You know those little spinners? Yes, that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'm already washed everything, so I'm going to put off of my season to my meat. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to put some salt, some black pepper. I'm just using half. Okay, on the way through I use it half of everything here. Good. I'm gonna rub this together. Okay. Here's my pot on the fire with some hot water, and I have my peas, and I didn't let you know that it's 2 cups of peas. I'm going to add it to my water, and this is a soft peas, so it will cook fast. Okay, and I'm going to add my meat to it. Okay, let it simmer down and cook. You can add your bean to a pressure cooker if you want it to go fast, but I slowly have it on the fire. I will be right back. Okay, I'm gonna add some of the garlic to my pot and a piece of thyme. Okay, let it cook down. Just gonna cover it and let it simmer down. I'm gonna check this again. Let's see how far. Yes, I think, wow. Alright, I'm gonna put the remainder of my seasoning in the pot, and with my dumpling I make some spinners. See it? See, dumpling. I'm gonna make them small. Without these things in the stew peas, it's not gonna nice. Okay, put my coconut milk and the rest of my seasoning. Okay, my pepper, and this was my scallion and my pepper, green pepper, and my onion. Thyme, made of my garlic. Okay, my coconut, my milk. Okay, all right. I'm gonna make it cook for another 15-20 minutes. Okay. Okay, the moment we are long waiting for. Look at it. I think it's done. Ooh, yeah. Look. Okay, finish. Okay guys, this is my finishing look. And I know it tastes nice. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye. May God continue to bless and to keep each and every one of us. Okay, walk good.